everyone, Mark here from Visual Pro Detailing. I wanted to talk to you real quick about our Pro Ceramic Coating package. This is our best-selling package by far. And what happens with this appointment is we almost always book 2 full days. We do a very extensive exterior detail. Deep clean it, wash it, all the nooks and crannies, and then we decontaminate it. We use a clay bar, we use chemicals, and what that does is remove things that are stuck to the paint that you can't necessarily even see, but they're on there, and all that stuff has to go. We do a minimum 1-step machine polish is included with the package, and with a 1-step machine polish, which is a paint correction service, for those of you that aren't familiar with the terminology, even if you have light to moderate swirl marks, it's going to clean all that up, and it's just going to give a fantastic glow. This is a brand new Lexus RX 350, and we did the machine polish on it prior to the coating application, and even with a brand new vehicle, it just blows people away. The enhancement of the shine, the reflections, the gloss, all that stuff. Then we do our Pure Bond system. Our Pure Bond system is our system that we do, that I've developed for years, that makes that paint and all those surfaces squeaky clean before we apply our ceramic coatings, because you can't just wash it and put the coating on. You can't just wash it and polish it and put the coating on. You have to remove all the polishing oils, all the soap residue, everything. You need absolutely clear surfaces before you put these coatings on, so that you get the best bond and therefore you get the durability. When we do this coating, we put our limited lifetime ceramic coating on all painted surfaces and the trim. Then we do a dedicated wheel coating to make the wheels super easy to clean and maintain. And we also do a full vehicle glass coating, and on that front windshield, it's going to last 1 to 2 years. On the rest of the glass, we've seen it last 4 or 5 years plus, because you're not getting the abrasion that the front windshield gets with the wipers. And that front windshield coating can be reapplied later on. If it does start to fizzle, we can just reapply that for you, and we charge a very, very marginal cost for that. With this, if we're going to do a lifetime warranty, it's just like a lifetime warranty if you have it on your vehicle. They're going to require you to have maintenance on it. If they're going to warranty your engine for the life of the vehicle, they're going to require you to have maintenance on it. So what we do is, as long as you're coming in for our maintenance package, which deep cleans and totally refreshes the coating, we charge around $149 for that. As long as you're having that done every year, we are going to guarantee the coating for the life of your ownership of the vehicle. It's not transferable. Ease of cleaning, ease of maintenance, no waxing, jaw-dropping gloss and shine that's locked in whenever we put that coating on. Chemical resistance, UV resistance, keeping your vehicle looking new or like new. That is what we do. We do a massive amount of coatings. We normally book anywhere from 60 to 90 days out for application appointments. So if you are looking to get this done, please let us know as soon as possible so that we can get you on the schedule. If you have any questions, we are more than happy to answer any questions you have about our services. You can give us a call at 618-983-9706. You can also go to our website, visualprodetailing.com. You can fill out the quick quote form on there, and we will actually contact you back at your convenience. Again, my name is Mark, owner and operator of Visual Pro Detailing. We look forward to hearing from you.